Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and where we show you on this channel the china currently being listed so you can get a feel for it. This is Royal Crown Derby porcelain from 1954. Blue Aves is the pattern, still in production by Royal Crown Derby, but these offer such a good value option for collectors of Blue Aves because the new platters start at around 430 and go up to around £560 to purchase. This is 11.5-inch, the smallest of four platters we're currently going to list. Blue Aves, characteristic pheasant type oriental bird and foliage design with these fine details in it. Gilt irregular scallop trim. Let's show you the Royal Crown Derby marks on the rear. Green Royal Crown Derby Ormston Road marks. XVII for 1954 bone china. We have got a very fine glaze craze on the rear of this platter. It's also impress mark Derby XI with an impressed mark on the base here. Nice deep oval base plate, very clean otherwise on the underside, and the surface again really nice and clean. Very fine little areas of glaze crazing, but they are hardly visible because of the richness of the cobalt pattern here. So this platter, as I say, is the smallest of four we're currently listing. They go up in a graduated set, but we're selling them individually. Royal Crown Derby don't make them in all four sizes anymore. They only make a 34cm and a 42 from memory. So this opportunity from 1954, when it was made in a more extensive range of flatware, or maybe they didn't. They do change the sizes with these sets that have been made over 50, 60, 70 or 100 years. And Blue Aves is one of those patterns Crown Derby developed from Avebury, a very much older blockware oriental bird design. So it's quite characteristic that sometimes the period pieces are at different sizes and different shapes than the more modern pieces, but the shape, from what we can tell looking at the Royal Crown Derby website, hasn't changed at all. Still produced in this blue characteristic pattern and shape today, but in only two sizes. Red Aves is the version of this made in the burgundy red pigment colour. This is the cobalt blue version. We've got quite a bit of flatware and two absolutely beautiful lidded serving tureens also available in Blue Aves. So if you're a Royal Crown Derby fanatic and collector and you're looking for pieces of rare Blue Aves, we've got a few coming on catalogue over the next couple of weeks. Do check back on the website and see what's available on the search term Blue Aves. Thanks for watching.